Hello, Brandy here, sharing my results from using Nano Banana. Of all the free text to image generators I tried, this has been the best. I have generated over 1,500 images with less than a 5% success rate. And half of those images I have needed to use a photo editor before they could be used to make my videos. It's difficult to tell a story when the story needs to be constantly changed due to image and video fails. Nano Banana does not offer better results with a paid account. It only offers more daily tries, faster results, and editing features. Nano Banana does not offer refunds for free or paid accounts due to bad image generations. In this example, it counted as 4 attempts to get an image, 1 more attempt to remove the animals. It often includes animals without being prompted to. It also adds children, which many times gets blocked for safety reasons when trying to make a video. While making a location video for the Shore Patrol Shack about Pattaya City, Thailand. In part of the Walking Street segment, I wanted to show how the females working in a business attract customers during slow times. Sometimes they go out in front of the business as a carnival barker does. Sometimes they do a dance. Many are dressed in cute matching costumes. One problem was the females did not look Asian or Thai. This is the prompt I used. The only change was for the business type and costumes. A bigger problem was they looked underage. I wanted to use this image because I liked the elephants. When asking to make the females look older, this is an example of the results. After 3 wasted attempts, receiving the exact same image that I gave to make changes to, Nano Banana gave up. Another common problem I ran into was counting and spelling mistakes. This is an example of how credits and time are wasted with trying to make spelling corrections. After 6 tries, I ran out of credits. This was the final result. This is the result of trying to have the woman's clothes changed for a scene. I asked to make her sweater brighter yellow and the skirt to be shortened. Her sweater was changed to a brighter yellow, but the skirt length remained the same. Knowing that if it doesn't get it right the first time, chances are it won't. I asked that the skirt be changed to a short black leather skirt. As before, the skirt length remained the same. In a vain attempt, I asked again to shorten her skirt. Giving up on the skirt, next I asked to change the skirt for a pair of black jeans. Then trying to get a view from 4 sides to use in other scenes. I didn't get the full head-to-toe view. I asked again, and it repeated the partial view. This time it did get it right. However, it changed the heels of her shoes. Knowing I can't tell the difference between right and left, I asked for a head-to-toe profile view. Since her hair was parted slightly to one side, I asked for a profile view of her other side, and it repeated the same side. Asking again, it repeated the same error. When I asked a 3rd time, it gave me the same left profile image and changed her hair to a ponytail. When I asked a 4th time, it gave me this. I gave up. Adding characters to a new scene is a problem. In this case, I needed the 2 characters to walk down the sidewalk holding hands. I had a view of the 2 characters from behind and pasted them to a black background. However, I could not get them to hold hands with my photo editor. This is the result, trying to accomplish it with Nano Banana. After 4 wasted attempts, Nano Banana gave up. When making a video, things change when they go out of view. I was having trouble with the lettering on his ball cap. If the man turned his head or looked up, and the cap bill covered the letters for just a split second, the letters would become a garbled mess. AI has no memory, even if it is written in the prompt. I thought it best just to eliminate the Pura Vida from the ball cap. As you can see in these images, Nano Banana kept repeating the same errors. It even cut the top of his head off a couple times. When I asked if it was mad at me, it took a while for a reply. I think it was confused. It only took 11 attempts to get it right. Another example of trying to make the characters look older. I generated images of a young couple holding hands at a movie theater snack bar. I removed the background to add to the background I was using. It was blocked for safety reasons. I asked AI to make them look older, and this is the result. It only made the female's skirt longer. The characters in the image I ended up getting to work also looked too young. When asked Nano Banana to generate an image where they looked older, all it did was make them taller. I would like to try the paid versions of some of the apps to see if they are actually any better. I have a feeling all the failed responses are just a marketing scam to get people to buy more. Many of the videos you see on using AI with an overly cheerful host are actually made by the AI company pretending to be a real person. They don't have to pay for advertising, and when monetized, they get paid for their commercials. In my next video, I will share a conversation I had with ChatGPT about the deceptions AI companies use against its customers. I started the Shore Patrol Shack channel to make travel videos of my travels around the world, in and out of the US Navy. I never expected AI to do as poor of a job as it does. This inspired me to include a playlist on the making of the channel. It became so involved that I wanted to make a second channel dedicated to my adventures with using AI. The problem I ran into with that is, you are only allowed to get verified on 2 YouTube channels per year. When attempting to get verified for a second channel, I was denied. AI, in its infinite intelligence and power, decided that I already had 2 channels. Please visit my channel to see what I have been able to accomplish with this mess. Click on the icon in the lower right-hand corner or use the link in the description. Please like, subscribe, and share to help friends and family understand what is going on with AI. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Brandy out.